These Air Jordan 1 Unions had a lot of promise, a lot of potential, but everybody slept on them, man. Collabs must be officially dead, bro. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. I appreciate everybody for sliding through, dropping all the comments, you know what I'm saying, interacting with you guys. I love reading y'all comments. And this video right here, man, I'm really gonna reach out to you guys. I really wanna see you guys' thoughts and opinions over this topic, bro. Sneaker collabs, you know, Jordan collabing with Union LA, NOIR, Travis Scott. Is it dead, bro? I don't know. So that's what I said. We're gonna have to talk about it in today's video. But before we do, right now I need everybody to go ahead and do for your boy is subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy to miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. You guys know your boy been trying to be a little consistent with y'all, man. Your boy been trying to be consistent. Shouts out to all the homies that keep motivating me, and shouts out to supporters that motivate me every time you guys come through. Drop a comment or two, hit that like button, share the videos as always. You know, it's a little motivation for me. Come on YouTube and chop it up with you guys, man. And tomorrow we got a crazy day, bro. Crazy day. I do think the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin's will be releasing. I think it's Wednesday. Let me pull up Sneakers app real quick. But if I'm not mistaken, it is tomorrow, you feel me? So let's go ahead and check real quick. I'm tripping, bro. They don't even release till Saturday. For some reason, I thought it was Wednesday. I don't know why. But them joints don't release all the way till Saturday, which is good. And I think I knew that. We just said that yesterday's video. Just crazy brain fart, man. All right, guys, so the first sneaker that kind of came to mind, like I said, is the Union Air Jordan 1 collaboration. I thought this had a lot of potential just because we haven't seen a Union, you know, to LA Air Jordan 1 collab in a while. We got the Storm Blue joints, and I think it was the Black Toe Union LA, you know what I'm saying? Super dope Air Jordan 1 colorways. Then you come to these, bro, and I don't know if it was the timing of those other two Union LAs, even the 4s, bro. Even the Union LA 4s are going for a lot of money. But when you transition all the way to 2022, 2023, we start getting these collabs, you know what I'm saying, like these right here, a lot of people aren't feeling them, and a lot of people was trashing these things. And I would say personally, I never trashed the sneaker. I just thought it was a lot going on with them. But I feel like that was not a fair statement given the fact that, you know what I'm saying, we get off-white 5s that drop that have so much going on with the sneakers. We got these right here, and even the previous Union LA Air Jordan 1s and 4s have a lot going on. So I don't think that was a fair statement. Maybe it's just because, I don't know, maybe it's the whole shift, the whole swing of the want for collaborated sneaker. And the Union LA, like I said, has some potential. But when we first got those rumored images, people were trashing them. People say, you know what, I ain't copping them. If you check these things right now on the aftermarket, you feel me, on StockX, Go, eBay, they're going for right around retail, which is crazy, bro. It's crazy. I know the retail was pretty high. I think it was like $225 or $220, one of the two. So that could be another thing. Maybe it's because the retail price is too high, or is it because people are just over collabs with Jordan, man? Like, are y'all over it? I don't know. So that's why I said I need y'all comments and need to see how y'all feeling about it. Me personally, I think the whole thing that's going on with collabs right now is that we're not getting what we exactly want. Like, we're not getting anything to top the Air Jordan 1 Mocha Travis Scott. We're not getting anything to top those Storm Blue Air Jordan 1 Union to LAs. It's just not happening. And then we get stuff like this. A lot of people say, yo, what is Jordan Brand doing? They're wasting materials and stuff like that. And maybe it's just because collabs are dead right now. It's a Jordan Brand, you know what I'm saying, rinsing and repeating colorways, like, you know what I'm saying, these OG colorways, or is it that we're just getting terrible colorways, terrible collabs with these different brands? And if you guys seen yesterday's video, I pulled these things out and I said, bro, I think I might have been wrong, you know what I'm saying, misjudging the sneaker and actually having them, actually checking them out, seeing them in hand. I don't think they're as bad as I, you know, put them out to be. I think it's a dope colorway. I think the only thing that kind of throws me off is the whole, you know what I'm saying, weave going all the way around the sneaker. That's the only thing that really throws me off, kind of give you like baseball vibes. But other than that, the quality is great. The colorway was dope, in my opinion. They just take the little weave, you know what I'm saying, out. I think it's a, you know, a 7 out of 10 sneaker right now. For a lot of people, it's like a 3 out of 10, if I'm being honest. And then swinging it over to the NOIR, bro. You guys know we got a crazy dope box with these joints. And we also got a dope sneaker, like great quality, great execution, all that good stuff. But like I said, people say, you know what, I ain't feeling them. You see, you got the NOIR top of the box with the Jumpman logo. And like I said, bro, people said I ain't snagging these things at all, even though they gave us some great quality, some great leather, And just a couple of years ago, we got the Air Jordan 3 I'm on my years, leading by the 1s, the 2s, and then they dropped these 12s. And we have another pair of I'm on my years coming out, and it is the Air Jordan 5 I'm on my years. And like I said, people are already writing up to be trash, bro. So like I said, I don't know if it's the timing, I don't know if it's the colorways, because these right here is dope, bro. It's a dope Air Jordan 12 colorway. Dope collab. Hit us with a nice suede on the side of the sneaker, that nice burgundy. Just a beautiful, dope executed sneaker. But like I said, bro, people push these to the side. People say they're trash. And these are going for like 130 bucks, 140 bucks on StockX, Go, eBay. And if you want to check, these things are going for the low. Just imagine if these dropped during the pandemic time, during the height of reselling. It's like you couldn't even get a pair of Air Jordan 1s at one point in time in 2020. It was just impossible, you feel me? So I don't know if it's the timing, like I keep saying, or if it's because people are just over these collaborations with the same exact, you know what I'm saying, brands like I'm on a year, you in LA. And I wouldn't even say Travis Scott, but it seems like every Travis Scott that does drop, the resale is just crazy. The want, the hype, the need for Air Jordan and Travis Scott collab is so high. And I think they can drop anything. You guys see the Mac attacks. People going crazy over the Travis Scott Mac attacks. And I think those are horrible. But the hype, the want for Travis Scott to Jordan is pretty high. But as far as these other brands like I'm on my year, like Union to LA, I think we are all pretty much over it. Is that a fair statement? Am I wrong? Or am I a little bit, you know what I'm saying, close to the judgment of collaborations with Jordan brand? Because to be real with you guys, man, it's honestly looking like the whole collabs with Union, the whole collabs of I'm on my year is pretty much dead. I don't think they can top a I'm on my year 3. I don't think they can top a Storm Blue Air Jordan 1 Union LA. I just think it's damn near impossible. So we might start getting a lot of these collabs with Jordan brand to start going for way under retail, like we've seen with the black and the white pair of Air Jordan 12. So this is all up for discussion. This is all up for you guys interaction, because I know it's a lot of people out there that feel a particular, you know, certain way about these collaborations. And again, I want to point out that a lot of people do base sneakers off the resale value. But if you take the resale off a lot of sneakers, especially these Air Jordan 12 I'm years, you gotta say it's a dope sneaker. But a lot of people get persuaded by that resale value being so low and they say, yo, I don't want them. But hey, to me, if I think a sneaker is dope, I'm gonna go out and grab them. I'm adding to the collection. I'm definitely gonna get some dope fits out of them. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video, man. Please drop some comments, leave some feedback, leave some thoughts down below in the comment section so I can see how you guys are feeling about these collaborations with Jordan brand. Is it over? Are they gonna find a way to revive it? And I do think that is so with the J Balvin 3s, but even looking at those, bruh, let me check, man. I think even looking at the J Balvin 3s, they're not even going for a lot of money. And like I said, people get persuaded by the hype based on the resale value, which I don't think that should be the case. So just a couple of days ago for the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin, it was going for like $700-800. Now we're a couple days away from the drop, and they're only going for $400, bruh. Can you imagine these drop back in 2020? I'm gonna leave that right there, man. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. Leave a huge like on today's video. Let's get us up to 400 likes. Let's get us up to like 400 comments. We need to get this interaction going. I need to see you guys' feeling. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.